Guys, it's 5 AM today and this is my last, not even my last day, the last few hours in Japan. And unfortunately today we're leaving him and the other guy in the toilet. The other guy is in the toilet. And it's just gonna be me and Lozarius going to Philippines. Morning, y'all. Oh shit, my strap, but I don't trust this. We're basically in a tricycle in Philippines and we're going backwards. We're in Oslo. We're going to, what is it, whale shark feeding, swimming thing, and the local way. We're going it the local way.
Very low. Too low, bro.
Yeah, woke up to a 6 sunrise though. Nice, nice. Hey, so before we go swimming with the whale sharks, they give you like a little briefing on what to do. And then if you guys don't have your GoPros, you can rent it off here as well. It's only 550 pesos. And they take the photos for you. And this guy's ready to swim. So yeah, it's actually 6:30 right now. They start thingy from, I think they said 6 till 11. It's the last show, last feeding time. Yeah. We just came up from the whale shark thing. How was it? She hated it because she couldn't swim. But that was probably one of the most beautiful things I've seen so far. Big ass whales.
Be so close.
Yeah, it was pretty sick. It was only for 30 minutes. It went pretty fast, but it was probably one of the best memories I have so far. And Terry lost his bag. We just had our breakfast and luckily Terry found his bag and he's happy.
As you can see. It's an infection.
They had a bit of a dramatic session where he lost his bag, well we thought he lost his bag or got stolen. Turns out our tour guide was carrying it with him, but then he got arrested for drugs. And then they took him, he had that pouch with him. And yeah, he was arrested for drugs. Don't do drugs. Make sure your tour guide don't do drugs as well. So now we're kind of stuck in the middle, don't know how to get to where to how to what to wear. And we paid for that tour guide, you know? So hopefully it'll be alright now. Where are we going next? Island. Sumilog Island next, and then Tumalak Fall. Sandbar. This is the local way of traveling.
Yeah, it's not safe. It is not safe. What if we go over a bar? Veggie.
So that was our ride. From here we need to take the boat to the island, and it's basically a sandbar. I forgot to bring my drone. So the boat ride costs us 1,500 pesos for 5 of us. Return, so it's 300 each. That's the boat we're taking.
Oh, look at that chicken.
Chicken! We made it to the island. It was about a 10-minute ride from Cebu, and the water is crazy. I'm so gutted I didn't bring my freaking drone. 50 pesos per person to get into this island. I think it's gonna be worth it. Looks nice, the water looks nice. Apparently it's not the season for the, what was it? Sandbar? Sandbar. So it's just water right now. Nice short hours in this little island. It was probably one of the best beaches I've been to so far, and I know there's more to see. Can't wait till we get to Polo, Palawan and Coron. And now we're gonna go back to our hotel, check out, and then go to Tumalog Falls. Should be sick. Sick.
You can just choose.
Ahmed to Tamayak Falls, we take the bike up. So we took tricycle from our hotel to the entrance, and then you take the bike up this hill. Quick shot. This was Christina's first time on a bloody bike. The amount of times she's been here, she's never been on a bike. Spoiled rich girl. So we have just finished for the day. It's waterfall. I think it seems like because of the drought there isn't much water coming by, and even here it's kind of dry. But it was still a wonderful waterfall. The water was like blue. Like, why go Iceland when you can come Philippines, right? But that's it for today. We're just gonna go back to our hotel, get our luggage, and then we're going to move to another hotel. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Do like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Pahiaro. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.